Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I am, let's see real quick, coming on with my Friday video. I have some leftover pieces from the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Autumn Breeze collection that I want to use. I don't have a lot of paper left, so I have strips like this that from other projects I made, and I want to make them into something. I think this is from another collection, so I'll pull that in, and the same with that one. But anyway, I have just these pieces. I don't know that I'm going to use that branding strip, but I have these pieces, these pages, so nothing but tags on this one. You don't have to use these as tags. You can cut off the tag and just use the other part, but definitely I have to cut this one apart to use this one, and I'm not sure what I will use that for. And then this one, it's a cut apart page. It could be, or I can use it as something else. And then that's just... Then these are the stickers I have left. These, oh my gosh, they're so cute. I really want to make them into little notebooks or cards, depending on what it is. So I think I can, some of them I can make into cards, and the other ones I'll make them into little notebooks. And I probably will not do the wrapped chipboard type notebooks, just you've seen me make them before, just the plain chipboard, the plain notebooks with just paper. Okay, I'll probably do that with that. And then this one's more journaling cards. I'm not sure what I can do with these. I'll figure it out. And then this, the 4x6 cards, I think I will make cards out of some of them. These would be really cute to make, framed art with too as well. That would be cute. And then that's the back side. But I definitely, all pages are cut aparts. And these little cut aparts, I would love to make little 2.5. These are 2x2s, so I'd like to make little cards out of these. And then the rest of them, either cards or those notebooks. So I have a lot to do with this. And it's Thursday, and I have to post a video Friday tomorrow. So I have a lot to do with this, with these leftovers from this collection. And we'll see what we can make, and I'll come on and show you what I've made. I am going to pull in some cardstock. This is 8.5 by 11 Recollections cardstock from Michaels, and I will probably pull in my fall paper pads from Michaels to help supplement this, and I'll come back and show you what I made. All right. Okay, let me show you what I've made so far. Let me get this out real quick. So I did make some of the cards, the gift cards, that the actual greeting cards that hold the gift cards. Let me show you those real quick. So I did this. I think this is so pretty. And let's see real quick. This one, I actually I thought this would be a great thing to put Happy Mail in, and I just put a few of the ephemera that cut aparts that I cut apart in here, and just put those in there. I love this collection. And then this one, Grateful for Small Things, Big Things, and Everything in Between. And it's so pretty, and just I put some cut-aparts and, I mean, ephemera. I have the ephemera to this collection, and I just put some in there, and I think it's so pretty. I thought this would be great for Happy Meal, for like Thanksgiving Happy Meal. I'm probably going to put some of this in my swap that's going out tomorrow. And then here's another one, Falling Leaves, Autumn Breeze. And I thought that was so cute to just put that tag at an angle. And I put some more ephemera in this one. Those are something I made. And that's all from Letty from Party Planner Papery. That's her YouTube channel. Okay, and something else I learned. Oh, so more cut-aparts. Let me go ahead and pull these out and show you what I did with the 2x2s. So these are the 2x2s that were left over. Oh my goodness, they are so stinking cute. And I made little cards with some of them. He's so cute. I just love him, and I love this paper. I think I'm going to have to buy some more of it. There was another Simple Stories paper that I want, but you can't find it, and I can't remember the name of it, but it's just so beautiful. It has a deer that's featured in the paper. But anyway, I think these are cute, and then I had 3 of them left over that I decided I was not going to make them for cards, but they can fit in here for more ephemera, you know, to give away. I don't think I put anything in that first one that I made. Let's see real quick. No, I didn't. So I'm gonna go right in there. More ephemera that could go in there. Okay, super cute. But I love these little cards. I just love them. I love the little animals, are so cute. Okay, and then there's a few other things. I did not use everything, but close enough. So I learned how to make something else from Letty. Let's go ahead and pull those all out. This is with her paid subscription. I will put a link to that, but she has a paid subscription on her YouTube channel, and I'm just going to show you this. I mean, I don't know if she shared the tutorial on her channel, but anyway, it is a tea favor. Another way to make a tea favor in using those 2x2s. So here is anything that you have with a 2x2. This is a great way to do that. In fact, I'm probably going to do one for pumpkin because I do have pumpkin spice tea, and I think that would be cute to do one with pumpkin. But anyway, I just made 3 of these, and here they are, Cozy Days, and I used that collection to make these, and here's another one. Give thanks. And there you go. So those are super cute. Another way to do tea favors, and I'd package it up in bags. I don't have any. I mean, I'll have to get some bags out to do those. And then the only other thing I did with this collection, because I really like it, is I want to share it with people, and I made some of these. Just all they are is a little bit of ephemera cut aparts, and I just shared, packaged it up, and I plan on sharing this. So Happy Mail, more Happy Mail. And let me see what else I have left of this collection. Okay. I still have some of that ephemera. Let me get this out of the way. And I still have a little bit of paper left. but I do have the stickers, and I used most of, oh, I guess I didn't use this. Okay, we're doing a swap sweater weather in November on Daisy Dev's Facebook group, so a lot of this stuff is going to work for that. I think, wow, I may have you know, stuff ready to go for it. But anyway, that's what I have made from this collection so far. And I, you know, did not bust it, but I did make a few things, so that's great. I mean, that's great since we're doing a sweater weather, coffee, hot cocoa themed swap for next month. These will work. I mean, tea will work too. So anyway, especially pumpkin spice tea. So it looks like I might have a jump start on that swap. Anyway, guys, I'm going to put this video together, and I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Thank you. Bye.